Kumba da kispangut kisamla pule ka Riboy College kilayo jumentoy haka program balak penlong da ka Elelian Institute halor ka phang career guidance and motivational session ya ka program la penlong haka khat sautorik nokpra Riboy College anong po balak kersan langi ka Elelian Institute da ka Department of Education na ka college Katai ke program kalong ru kum sibenta ka jing rakhe ka jinta bosan posnam ka jela bat kibra long ka jing kerku she samla pule da ki jing kran selok na ki rurang ba kibra ajing kran ki bugun thop yo Reverend BB Khamdej haka motivation bot Dr. AW Rani assistant professor ka Sunat College Shillong haka career guidance
long chana kani ki jingla ni long perfect like jingla ni kan ban sok ko ni ko way but on don kanu ko view ka bala ban ya ban persya ni ko way Bagata kalong, bagati love, bagata forgiveness, kajing mom, bagata kajing grace, baganya kendur utang hanwe kita, bagata kalong haulog kalori, bagata kali kekubur bag lembada dengan khidmat, bag uniu uday ubalasan ubalamap ini, kajing macam rak kali kepang kalong uday liberate ini, dia liberate kita mindset kajing James, Jacob, orang tua yang tahu, dalam nombor nak jom di mana, yang satu pandu beri, aku pun je baru, orang tak ber, kio pipa lagi di stan, ini mau Solomon, upali lagi di stan, kalau yo, hendak bersama, kalau bersama komik kalau kau Solomon kita, kayak kau bakalan, Solomon bakalan, uang nama upali lagi di stan dan bisa yang diwe. Uklat tanpa nak start berbicara ia lagi. Kata kadai kabagi ju penduk lagi sini. Aku mungkin nak sama kata kadai jumlah kabagi ini. Judgmental attitude, judge others, we pay it away, kena jitu it away. Kejimut jangan menang judge on positive side. Ini betul hak roy kampar, ibu abang long kutai kena berkat dia. We don't believe in this. Ini we will believe in our potentiality. We don't believe in our strength. Nipet bisa nipet ni kuat orang bilang. Padahal kita kecili memperkat pun tak. Nama itu biar proses jumlah. Biar proses jumlah. Result and consequence kalau kepakalah. Tidak malah kata ni semua usaha yang matang sedap. Pemuji suara liberate ini baru kita kira macam ini, kita bakalan macam ini, bantu ai kita aja. Boy liberate ini bantu priu ini kita semua. Dengan lang saja kita start apa? Kata kita start apa? Kemudian kita ada sedang ikut. Wah kita start Solomon berempat dan ada bertaruh. Ini juga biblical story. Kemudian tu ini mentah. Bila kita general knowledge keli. Who is the wisest man of all in humanity era? Ini new yang dijawab. Solomon, berani Solomon. Wenta, upah kita start launai. Nengiskan, hiru upah kita start. Now,
the certificate conferred by these universities are very much, recognized by law, and they in fact follow all the UGC norms also. Whether they fulfill 100% or not is a different issue, but they are all legal universities and genuine. That is in the context of law. Now, if you pursue PG programs in these private colleges, the thing is that there is a little bit problem because the fee structure is a little bit high. It's high basically because they don't have funding from any other agency. They have to fund, they are basically autonomous universities, they have to pay their own teachers, and how to meet the requirements of the university, they have to collect the fees, high fees from the students. That is very clear. The second type of universities that you can pursue your PG program is in central universities. Central universities been established by the government of India through the Act of Parliament. Okay, like in the case of Northeastern University, established by the Nehru Act 1973. So right from 1973, we have got the Northeastern University, and of course it is located in Shillong for many years. Then it is now, in proper Shillong, but now shifted to Nehru campus, a permanent campus there in Mawlai Ushi. That we know. Now, when we talk about pursuing an A program or PG program in central universities, we should not confine only to Nehru. We should not confine only to Nehru. There are many central universities across the northeastern region and across the country. We have in India not less than 400 universities across the country. And so therefore, when we talk about admission in central universities, please keep in mind that you should also apply in other universities. Since now you are already in BA first semester, you have plenty of time to think about it. And by the time you go for your 5th semester, you are enrolled in the 6th semester, you should start applying. Because other universities is not like Nehru. Their admission notice is much earlier than what Nehru used to give. So therefore you have to be alert, you have to check the websites of the different universities because it will not come in the newspaper. So you have to check the different websites. Just type in the Google admission notice for PG program in so-so subject or so-so discipline. Then so many universities will appear there and you can check and you can see. If you are not sure about it, you can always talk to your teachers or your friends or your family members at home who may know better and you can explore.